I'm Annie Sloan. This is my studio and I'm here to show you how to lacquer a small chair for the garden, which is a really beautiful little one. It's pretty old. I've painted it Givany. I'm going to suggest you either use this brush or this. This one might be good because there's quite a lot of texture in it. So I'm going to use matte varnish. Remember that this is the varnish that's got UV protection in it, so this colour is going to stay its gorgeousness and it won't fade. So a little bit into there. I could be using it directly from there, but I quite like to be able to make certain that it's all stirred and I poured that in. Don't have to, I could do it straight from there. So it's just really a question of brushing. So I can get in there with this brush. It's really nice. You can get into all the nooks and crannies all over. And that's it really. It's as simple as that. There's no secret, there's no magic. It's just doing this. And that's it, protected. You might want to do 2 coats. I wouldn't do any more than that. 2 is probably because you'll miss a bit. And that's it. One really, really important thing to do, to know about, is that I just don't want to do just the bits I can see. Make certain that you encapsulate the whole piece. So I go underneath, so there's no bits that are not varnished. This is because you want to protect it all. You don't want to get water getting in. If you let water get in, then it gets under and maybe then it can push out. Probably with a chair, best thing to do is to do it upside down first. That's the chair, not you. And then you turn it up the right way and you'll make certain that you've covered everything. So this is a really, really bright colour. So anything bright red, bright yellow, bright blue, bright green, it will fade fairly quickly, but this has got UV protection, so that's made it fantastic. So outside, the sun won't let it fade. So it's going to keep that beautiful gorgeousness. So there you have it. Whether you go with a matte or gloss finish, lacquering just helps extend the life of your furniture and the chalk paint finish. So have a go and let us know what you create.